I told you about this game more than 4 weeks ago. So today we will check this game again and I will show you how to earn $100 a day. Okay, as you can see, this game is still working and I already earned $102. It's because 1 month ago I invested $120. If for example I invested $1000, now I earned $1000. Also on my balance already $320. So I started earning money much more faster. After that, every 24 hours I click on this bottom, then I click reinvest. And as you can see, now I have more money on my balance. That's why I start earning money much more faster. And after I again reinvest my money and everything repeats. To play this game, just go under this video and click on the game link. After that you need to click play and connect your MetaMask wallet. Voila, it's everything what I need to do is already my account. So guys, this game is already working 1 month and will work on the future. Because as you can see, this is the graphic of this game and this graphic is all the time only increasing and will increase on the future. And now per 1 month I will earn $300. After I will earn $900 and like that more and more. But I invested only $120. So if you want to invest on this game, just click on this bottom build and after write how much you want to invest. But the maximum deposit is $700 and this limit will increase until $10,000. That's why this game is slowly only increasing, because people can't invest more than $700. But this limit increases every 7 days. That's why every 7 days graphic increase and this project will work a lot of time. Okay, subscribe on my channel to not lose new good projects and also watch this video.